Assalamualaikum guys. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is doing well. If you are new, I'm Zainab and you are welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make peri peri chicken. Very simple. So yeah, let's get into it. The ingredient which we're gonna be using, I've got chicken first, and it's washed. You make sure it's dry. We don't need water, and we can use also chicken pieces. It really doesn't matter. And here we got half lemon, red chili, this is white vinegar, garlic cloves, onion, this is one onion, chili powder, black pepper, salt, and oil. Add everything in the blender and blend it into a paste. The lemon, I'm gonna just squeeze it. Okay, now I'm going to put the chicken in the baking tray like this, and then I'm going to pour all the mixture into it. So I'm going to flip it over and pour the rest of mixture. Okay, now I'm going to keep the chicken in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Okay guys, so it's after 1 hour. Now I'm going to grill for about 20 minutes. So our chicken is done. I baked for 30 minutes because it wasn't done in 20 minutes. So you just have to bake your chicken until it's done, until you see it's nice golden, and the smell is so crazy at this point. It's so yummy, you guys. Oof.